Today's video will be over operationally defining behavior.
Before we discuss operational definitions, we must explore the behavioral objective. Children with mild to severe disabilities or behavior disorders such as oppositional defiance disorder and ADHD may require a behavioral objective. This is a system where educational goals are broken down into teachable components. The first of the four components is to identify the learner. Identifying a specific learner allows the teacher to individualize the instruction strategy to compensate specific educational needs. Once the learner is identified, the second component is to identify the target behavior. This is where operational definitions come into play. An example of target behavior is a teacher that wants to increase the amount of time a student spends doing classwork. When the target behavior is identified, it must be operationally defined before the final two components of the behavior objective can take place. So, what is operationally defining behavior? Well, it is a way of describing a target behavior that is so clear that everyone can agree that the behavior has or has not occurred when observing the learner. For example, the definitions of what people consider on-task work or class disruption will vary greatly. This clear definition is meant to eliminate as much ambiguity as possible. Everyone involved in the behavior change objective must agree on a common description of the behavior, which is the operational definition. It is so clear that anyone involved in the behavior objective can differentiate the occurrence of the target behavior from any other behaviors. Chapter 2 provides multiple examples of operationally defining on-task behavior.